Okay, check this out. It's a Hershey bar, but it's protein. It's a protein bar by Hershey, Hershey One. And it's got 18 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar, and 230 calories. So that's pretty good macros, 230 calories and 18 grams of protein. So that's pretty good. But the question is, how good does it taste? So we're gonna open it up, and I already know how good it tastes. I bought the big box of them, and I have been eating these. This is what it looks like. We're gonna do this together. It's very chocolatey. It has kind of a fudgy texture in the middle, and then the chocolate around the outside. Now, does this taste like a Hershey bar? No. Does it taste like a really good chocolate protein bar? Definitely. This is my favorite protein bar right now because, and believe me, I have tried many protein bars, and this is my favorite because it doesn't taste like a Hershey bar, but it's pretty darn close. It's pretty darn close. So yeah, that's really good. I bought the whole box and they're almost gone. That's how much I like them. And if you like this video as much as I like this protein bar, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please hit subscribe.